The shade place is the right place.
The right place is the shade place.
The shade place is the right place. The right place is the shade place.
I absolutely love what I do.
You're fantastic. So now we're gonna do it. You're gonna talk directly to this camera. And
This was just the practice?
That was just a practice.
We have a series going to be called The Expert by... No. What was it? Expert Series.
Expert Series by the shade
All
place.
right.
Be it a segment of window treatments or custom closets. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to say the closets though, I'm sorry.
I'm Suzanne with the Shade Place.
So the shade place is the right place. Did I say that backwards again? Oh my god.
This is the Expert Series at the Shade Place. Did I say that right? No, no. No.
Helps my clients because
Brilliant.
Brilliant. Done. One thing. Okay.